Are you happy? Hello everyone, I'm here in Barcelona, Spain. I'm visiting the Sagrada Familia, the famous church that is being constructed already for 140 years, imagine. And they said it will be done by 2033. I'm now having some break and also having this moment to pray in this beautiful place. Are you happy? Today in the Gospel, Jesus talks about happiness. Happy are you, or blessed are you who are poor, for the kingdom of God is yours. But woe to you who are rich, for you have already your consolation. What's the meaning of this? We know that many people are saying that to be happy, we need to be successful. We need to be rich, to be famous, to be powerful, to have all the pleasures in the world. But Jesus is bringing us to a paradigm shift. Happiness is not about being successful, but being faithful. When we see Jesus, His life, especially on the cross, we would not see richness. We would not see power, fame, nor pleasures, because He's there poor, hungry, weeping, and persecuted. But He is happy. Why? Because even if He is not successful in the world, He is faithful. That's the true happiness. It doesn't come from what we have outside. No. Of course, these things are good. I'm very happy that I'm here in Barcelona. I'm enjoying my trip. But in the end of the day, what's more important, or what's the source of happiness, is not the things that we have outside, but our faithfulness to be with God, to follow the will of God, and to have the kingdom of God. Blessed are you, happy are you, who are poor, for the kingdom of God is yours.